Hey y'all, welcome back to another edition of Eats with Fefe. Look what we got on the menu today. We're going to make a chicken salad, Fefe style. I don't have any celery, so we're going to work it out with what we got. We got some red bell pepper, some yellow bell pepper, we got some onions, and I just threw some raisins off in there. Don't ask me why. So we're going to see what happens. We're going to make a sandwich. Alright, I'll be back. Alright y'all, I'm back. So we're just using what we got on hand. I put everything in the bowl. I cut up the rest of that Cornish hen. I took the breast and the leg part and put it off in there. I'm going to use the rest of this relish that I have. And some mayo. This mayo I got this time is olive oil mayo. 10% more. Half the fat of regular mayonnaise. I put salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder in there. And I don't know if there's too much of anything else. If you heard some noise in the background, that's Kitty. I don't know, she acts like she's starving. She even started whining. I don't know what. I don't know what she got going on over there. So, how are you guys doing today? We just figured since I make this, I'll share it with y'all. We're going to see how these raisins work out in here. I don't know if I want it anymore. So if she was a dog, I could give her the bones of the chicken. Maybe she act like she's just starving. I mean, almost took my damn nail off. That's Kitty Boo. I'll make it a little bit more. A little bit more saucy, and I'm even going to put some mustard off in here. I didn't have any celery, so I put some celery seed in here. So this is a leftovers edition. Okay. Final product, let's see. And mustard's coming through. Two pieces of wheat bread. We got it sauced up enough so we don't have to. Let me try with one of these. Nice sweet burst. Okay. I can rock with that. I eat chicken salad both ways, with sweet bits and nuts and without. I'm very indifferent. Then I think the rest, if I get hungry later on tonight, I eat with some crackers. So this will be a snack at a meal. I'll show you some crackers. I'm not crackers, but oh well. Alright, y'all, that is it. My chicken salad sandwich. Leftover edition to be salad. Keep it short, keep it sweet. Some on my phone. Alright, y'all. I just want to share my shenanigan with you. Until next time, bye.